add some more displays. This is the data entry pad for the controller. Put that small part of the glass that quit working. You simply move the display over to a good part of the glass. We don't know, I mean, we can do this, engineering-wise we can do this. Whether pilots are going to actually do this or not, we'll find out. Top Gun, our pilots say no, because somebody may have an attack format here, or somebody may have it here, so that may be a little confusing. But it's there, and it's for us now, it's actually a design. Yeah, that's a great, yep. So one of the major concerns with drawing the pretty picture when we first started drawing it was, is it going to be sensor overload, but even more so, are they going to be enthralled with the picture rather than have your heads up? What we've seen so far is the opposite. They'll call up to the E2 for the big picture and say, hey, Thor, big picture. He'll come back and say, from up there, currently what he would do is come back and say, Thor, showing multiple groups, two groups, 20-mile azimuth split, first group 340 for 20 angels high. What does that mean? Now they're looking down at this picture and they go, oh, there's two groups there. They're split up, one's high, one's and their heads back up. We're seeing them save a couple seconds versus trying.